about to go away.
Baby's cold outside.
Evening has been
The whole thing is
so
gone.
very
I'll
nice.
hold your hand and stare just like eyes.
Mother will start
Beautiful,
to
what's your
worry.
hurry?
Nah, ini nih cookers yang bakal jadi base ganduja chocolate cake kita.
Beautiful, please don't.
Sekarang cookers kita fold in cooking creamnya sambil kita nunggu cake-nya mendingin.
Bed out there.
Say what's in this dream.
Comes to be head out there.
I wish I knew how
Your eyes are like starlight
to break
night.
this spell.
Oh, take your hand looks
I
well.
ought to say no,
Mind
no,
if I
no,
move
sir.
it closer?
At least I'm gonna
Was
say that I
sense of
tried.
hurting my
Really
pride.
can't stay.
Oh, it's cold outside.
Oke, cookers, waktunya untuk kita plating kuenya ya. Chocolate ganache. Lalu sponge cake. Simple syrup. Jadi simple syrup itu cuma air dan gula, perbandingannya 1:1, lalu direbus sampai dia larut. Itu fungsinya untuk bikin kuenya itu moist dan nggak kering. Ganache. whipping cream. Lalu untuk finishing touch, kita kasih shaved chocolate. And there you have it, cookers. Ini Genduja chocolate cake ala Agatha. Enak banget nih cookers. Moistnya dapet, sponge cake-nya dapet, coklatnya dapet, peanut butter-nya dapet semua. Oke, jadi cookers, itu menu-menu yang kita masak hari ini. Jadi ada beef steak tadi, dan itulah cara bikin beef steak dan Genduja chocolate cake. Jadi semoga semuanya bisa jadi inspirasi buat cookers yang masak di rumah ya. Sekali lagi makasih udah nonton Jom Cooking. See you next time. Bye.